Hi everyone, welcome back to How Many Days Listen. Thank you so much for liking, commenting and subscribing. I hope you're doing great, if not okay, because really I think that's all that matters, that you are doing something, you know. So today I'm back with another video. This is episode, I believe, 5 of how to speak Xitsonga. I told you I'm gonna go in, like I'm gonna teach you all the way. If you don't know Xitsonga, let me know what you think Xiambalo means. But I'm gonna be a dictionary today. I'm gonna teach you words that are like basic, we use them every day, like shakuda, meaning food. Since we know that every tribe has its own, you know, like words for like aunt, uncle, babies and mother-in-law and all that stuff. And like just a little bit of a disclaimer, get yourself a Xitsonga guy. You will listen, there are good people, I promise you, unlike some of them, but for the most part he'll treat you good. I'm not gonna explain the words, I'm just gonna name the word in English and then in Tsonga direct translation, and let's keep moving. Okay, so aunt, hani, uncle, malume, granny, kokwani, baby, nwana, sister, sesi, brother, buti, mother, manana, father, tatana, kids, vana, meaning plural. If it was just me, nwana, because I am singular. Parents, vatswari. Now let's get technical. I hope I'm not going to confuse you. Your mother's sister, who is younger, is mansongo, meaning small mother. Ne? Then if the sister is older than your mother, imanhulu or mankulu. Ne? Vice versa, if your father is the one that's older, he has a younger brother, he is papantsongo. The younger brother is papantsongo, meaning small father. Then the other way around, if your dad is the younger one, the other one becomes papakulu or papahulu. I think you got it. If my brother is married, sister-in-law is squeezer. She also calls me that, but we kind of like adopted like skoni, you know, those kind of things. But yeah, squeezer, skoni, we use that. The other way around, when my sister is married, the guy becomes isvara shamina. If I am married, the guy's mother calls me makoti. Mother-in-law, mani mwingi. So when she calls you makoti, your response manwingi. Even if you're the one who's calling for her, manwingi. You know, just try to be like respectful if you don't want to call her like mani or whatever the case is. So I'm gonna give you a scenario and I need you guys to comment down below what you think it means. Okay, so I am married to this guy, right? This guy, what is he to my parents? What do they call him? Not his name, don't say John or David. What is he to my parents in Xitsonga? Comment down below. I'm gonna give you a shout out on the next video if you got it right. Okay, kutekiwa, meaning to be married. A man would say nzitekile, I have married. A woman would say nzitekiwile, I have been married, or I am married, right? Utekiwe himani, meaning who married you, which is nobody's business, but you would say John, David, whoever it is, or you can just say nzitekiweka, meaning I have been married into this family. You say the name, maybe Kashungwani, Kamhlari, and so on and so forth. Now we're gonna go into the food category, and food in Xitsonga is shakuda, bread is shinkwa, tea, tia, coffee, kofi, K-O-F-I, kofi. That's what I call it. So I'm obviously not gonna go through the whole shopping list because that's just gonna take forever, but basic things, I mean, like, you need to know if you're like in a family or gathering or of some sort. Nkombela shinkwa, nkombela busha, nkombela raisi, nkombela nyama ya huku, nyama ya umu, nyama ya nyimfu, all sorts. Okay, that's just basically all that you need to know. Nkombela juicy, I call it juicy, it's juice, but I don't know which it's on, like it's juicy. Yeah, nkombela juice, I don't know any other way of saying that. Yeah, beverages, I've told you. Cold drink is cold drinky. So then no, but yeah. So whatever it is that's cold, or something to drink. Alright guys, I gotta go. Listen, I'm getting so excited with these videos because I'm just like, you know, being my regular self. But I gotta go and I need you guys to stay tuned. Subscribe down below. I love you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.